Need to process a custom order, a phone sale, or apply a special discount not available on your website? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a draft order in Shopify. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. A draft order is a manual order that you create from your admin dashboard, giving you maximum flexibility for special situations. From your Orders page, click Create Order. Start by searching for and selecting the customer. If they're new, you can create a customer profile on the spot. Next, use the Add Product search to find and add the items to the order. You can apply custom prices, set specific quantities, and even add custom line items, like setup fee or customization. You can also apply shipping rates and discounts. Once the order is built, you can save it as a draft, email an invoice to the customer for payment, or mark it as paid immediately if you've taken payment outside of Shopify. A crucial pro tip: use draft orders for wholesale transactions. You can set custom percentage off discounts for specific customer tags, allowing you to easily create orders at wholesale prices without exposing them on your public-facing store. And just like that, you can handle any type of sale, both standard and custom. Draft orders are the ultimate tool for flexible order management. How do you use draft orders in your business? For wholesale, custom quotes, or something else? Share your uses below. This concludes our Shopify operations series for now. Thanks for watching.